Well, hello and welcome to my page. I'm starting off with the fairy tale printable. We're going to make a frame to put around that printable. I'm using the amazing casting resin. When you are using this, you want to really make sure that you are mixing it properly. Full instructions are on the back of the box. Once you've stirred it up completely, I am going to pour it. I had a little bit of extra and I didn't want to waste it, so I just went ahead and cast this other frame. While that frame is hardening, I painted this 5x7 wood canvas in the color Inglenook by Fusion Paint. I love to use sewing patterns as a mixed media or collage. We're just going to randomly put it all around the sides. No need for the middle because we're going to cover that up with our frame. I'm going to dry brush on some paint, and I'm using Picket Fence and Peony from Fusion Mineral Paint. Just going to go along and just add some here and there. You don't want to cover it up completely, but you still want to have that sewing pattern peeking through. Our frame casting is ready to come out, and look at that. Isn't that so cool? I love using that casting resin. I'm using the pink again, and I'm going to paint this completely. Once that's dry, we're going to size up our printable. The printable's a little big, so I took a pen and marked it. I really wasn't worried about the pen showing because we are going to antique it so you won't see it. I used Fabri-Tac to apply the glue to the frame and then added that to the paper. Now to add everything to our wood canvas, I'm using construction adhesive. It's nice and strong. I would use that rather than hot glue. We're going to antique this, and I'm using brown wax from DIY. And the idea here is you're just going to add a little bit and then wipe it off with a damp rag. Add a little bit more and wipe off. I'm using the tiniest bit of the dark wax, and I'm just doing a swirly motion to add it to the inside of the frame. I want to give you a really important tip when you are using wax or a dark wax to antique. Because I used Fusion Paint, it already has a sealer in it, so I don't need to seal this before I use the dark wax. If you are using a paint that doesn't have a sealer, make sure you seal it first before using the dark wax. Dark wax is really cool. Don't be afraid of it. It can really take your project to the next level and give it some wonderful shading. Look how beautiful that is.